Hermes? Is that a Greek god? A $12,000 handbag? Those little sandals with the wings? It's actually an AI agent, possibly the best one you haven't heard of. Let me explain in 3 minutes. Hermes Agent is an open source AI assistant from News Research, MIT license, and free to self host. But here's what makes it different: you don't open an app and stare at a chat box. Hermes lives where you already talk: Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, email. One agent, one memory, every surface. You just text it. So, what can it do? Three things that actually matter. One, it remembers. Hermes learns your projects and how it solved a problem last time, so you're not re explaining yourself every single morning. Two, it works while you're away. Tell it, in plain English, send me a traffic report every Monday at 8, and it just does it. Backups, briefings, reminders, running on a schedule with nobody babysitting. Three, it can hand work off to itself. Big job? Hermes spins up separate subagents so one messy task doesn't clog your main conversation. Plus web search, browsing, image generation, the whole toolbox. Fair warning, it's still early. Think powerful, not polished. But that's exactly why right now is the fun time to get your hands on it. Now, the catch. An agent that runs continuously and answers your texts can't live on your laptop. Close the lid, it's gone. It needs a home that never sleeps. A great solution: a server. A DreamHost self-managed VPS gives Hermes an always-on machine with full root access, awake, online, and answering around the clock. You spin up the server, install Hermes, and point it at your Telegram. Your agent, your hardware, your rules. So, not a handbag, not a god. Well, maybe a god. Hermes is a genuinely clever open source agent that lives in your pocket and works while you sleep, on hardware you actually own. Check the link below to spin up a self-managed VPS on DreamHost. Go make yourself a messenger of the gods.